Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make roasted peanuts, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and spread raw peanuts in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring every 5 minutes for even color. Watch for a golden aroma and slightly darker skins. Remove promptly and cool on a tray to finish crisping. Season while warm and store in an airtight container for freshness. Pre-seasoning is optional but helpful for flavor adhesion and variety. Toss peanuts with a tablespoon of oil per cup to help spices stick, then add salt or spice blends. Try honey and cayenne for a sweet and spicy twist, or garlic powder with smoked paprika for a savory snack. Adjust amounts to taste and remember that seasoning intensifies as peanuts cool and oils set for best texture. Even heat and attention make the difference between chewy and perfectly roasted peanuts. Keep peanuts in a single layer to allow hot air circulation and stir every 5 minutes so none burn. If you want precision, an internal temperature near 200 degrees F indicates doneness without overbaking. Remove peanuts a little early since carryover heat finishes the job. Let them cool fully before tasting to get accurate texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.